Okay, I haven't started the video yet.
Are you doing it on now?
Oh god, I accidentally started the video. My bad, not okay. In the sky. Yep.
Don't film other people, will you? Because that would be rude and they might get cross.
Well, what if I accidentally don't do it? Sparklers. Find sparklers in the air. Why do they find sparklers in the air? I want to use a sparkler. Mine's always been a minute.
Right, you've got 5 more minutes and you've got to come in. And if you drop that, I will slap you.
Yeah, okay.
Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Because the reason is...
Yeah, la-di-la.
I'm just telling you. Okay, your brother.
Mine's been 1 minute and 10 seconds. Oh god, my bad, I blocked the camera. Tell me if it's good. Oh, this is awesome. Yes, that one was lovely. Oh, this is under. Yep, I filmed that one. Wait a sec.
Just quickly, Mum. I think that was
Done?
Yes, I'm going to play it, see what happens.